Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to master awesome text effects in Canva and level up your designs? Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size from the options. Enter 200 for the width and 200 for the height in pixels to set your canvas dimensions. After you've entered these values, select the Create New Design button to generate a blank project with your specified 200 by 200 pixel size. Select the element, then type whale in the search bar. Load the bar and the full image first. Then, select this specific image to use in your project before proceeding to the next step in the process. Now let's add a background. Go to the toolbar on the left and select the background option. Browse through the available backgrounds and choose one that fits your project. Click on your preferred background to apply it to your design. Your background is now set. Click the Next button to continue. Once you've advanced to the next step, locate the Frame tool in the toolbar. Select the Frame tool by clicking on it. Now, move your mouse to the canvas area where you'd like to add a frame. Double-click in the desired location to create a new frame. The frame will appear on the canvas, and you can adjust its size or move it as needed. If you want to add another frame, repeat the process by clicking the Frame tool again and double-clicking in the new spot on the canvas. Use these steps to organize your content effectively. Frames help you separate different sections or elements, making your project easier to manage and visually appealing. Double-click to open the project. Now, let's use this map as a base and change its type to colorful using the drop-down menu. Locate the Map Type drop-down at the top of the screen. Click it to reveal the list of map styles. Scroll through the available options until you find the colorful style. Click on Colorful to apply this map type. The appearance of your map will update automatically to reflect the new colorful style. Next, explore the legend to the side of the map. Notice how the colors correspond to different categories or regions on your map, making the information easier to interpret visually. If you want to further customize your map, look for additional settings or options. For example, you can adjust the color theme, toggle labels on or off, and modify the transparency of map features. If you need a closer look at any part of the map, use the zoom tools in the lower right corner. Click the plus or minus buttons, or click and drag to pan across the map area. Once you have the map tailored to your preferences, remember to save your project. Click the Save button in the upper right corner so you won't lose your changes. Your map is now updated and ready to use with the new colorful map type. Select the object you want to duplicate, then press Ctrl D to create a copy. Drag the duplicate upward to position it. Repeat this process. Press Ctrl D, then drag the copy up until you have the desired number of duplicates arranged vertically in your project. You can now see that we have colorful text typography displayed clearly on the screen. Applying these color effects helps your text stand out and adds visual interest to your design. Experiment with different color combinations to match your project's theme. This technique works for headlines, banners, or any creative project where eye-catching text is needed. Click the Share button. From here, you can choose to download your file. Select either PNG to save as an image, or pick PDF print or raster print for printing options, depending on your needs. You've just learned how to create stunning text effects in Canva. If you enjoyed this typography tutorial, hit like and subscribe for more design tips.